4620 Judson Way La Mesa for Lucky Plumbing. Started the video at the city connection. We'll come back and then we'll go from here all the way back to the city. Here's the city connection. You can see the water flowing, and there's a ramp over there. And at the top of the ramp, as we come back a couple feet, there's a root intrusion. It's approximately 2.93 feet deep. Kind of a straight shot from the cleanouts. There's another root intrusion. Let's go see where this one is. Okay, so this one's several feet back from the other one. We'll come back towards the house, film the cast. That's where the cast joins. Goes to clay. We can mark that when we go back. Okay, we're going to go back in one more time so we can mark where clay meets the cast. I think maybe the washer's going off or something now because there's water. running now. Yeah, see if you can find that. It's where the clay meets the cast. Scott?
So it's in between here, right?
No.
Why is that line in there? That's one dot. Will I be coming back towards you, Mark?
I don't know. Obviously not.
That's one dot right there.
So?
Probably right underneath the bush. Did I do it right or wrong?
Yeah, but you're just standing there with over the line box. What are you going to do to just find one shot?
Well,
If I argue with my shot, that's it.
yeah.
There's the other shot. Under the bushes.
So, you want to mark it or no?
Are you going to walk under the bushes?
Dude, we didn't even have to come out here because I could have told you it was there.
No, you couldn't. You had to come out and check. You had to, because even before I messed up, you got to come out and check. I would assume she knew this wasn't allowed.
Okay. So now we'll go in. I'll take pictures of everything. There's the first main route intrusion. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the route that keeps growing back. There's the drop. To the city. And we'll just run the camera the other way just in case. I think there's something wrong with my drum. Yeah, that. Yeah. joins to cast iron underneath the bushes. I mean, to clay, from cast to clay underneath the hedges. Now we're going to go shoot it to the house, just to check what's going on that way. And it's obviously the old original cast going towards the house. Quite a hectic belly over there. Not that bad. Just the whole cast iron's kind of old and original. This is going towards the house from the other clean out. And then it looks up, turns into ABS. It's a section of ABS. And that's probably going up the vent or something. Maybe a toilet there or something. Probably a toilet. Looks like a piece of string or something, eh? Something caught in over there. Probably doesn't cause any problems. Kind of near the toilet. Drum. We'll hit that.